Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how complex, three-dimensional shapes are made, especially for things like sinks? Well, today we're going to show you one way it's done, and it's with our amazing OMNI 4-axis CNC router. In this video, you'll see our machine in action as it tackles a really cool project, creating a precision mold for a sink. The material we're using is a big block of foam board. It might look soft, but it's perfect for prototyping and creating a detailed master for a final product. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? A 3-axis CNC can do that, right? Not exactly. A standard 3-axis machine can't handle all the curves and undercuts of this design. That's where our 4th axis comes in. You'll see the entire foam block rotating as the machine works, allowing the spindle to get at every single angle and create a perfectly smooth, seamless shape. This means no more flipping the material, no more manual work, and a much more accurate result. The entire process is really satisfying to watch. You'll see how precisely the router carves away the foam, leaving behind a beautifully sculpted form. This just goes to show you the power and versatility of a 4-axis CNC machine. It's not just for flat cuts, it's for bringing complex designs to life. Whether you're in the business of creating molds for fiberglass or plastic, or you're a designer looking to prototype a new product, or just someone who loves watching high-tech machinery at work, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you have any questions about this machine or our other products, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.